Here we go. Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Cayuga County, southern Onondaga County until 7:45 p.m. At 6:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Niles to Venice Center to near Peters, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Onondaga, Syracuse, Delaware, Pompey, Solvay, Manlius, Fayetteville, Owasco, Otisco, and Skinny Atlas.
I'm in it, boy. I'm in it. Oh, that is the 4th severe thunderstorm warning I've gotten today. 4th warning. And I got a severe thunderstorm watch earlier too. But look, so here's one. They canceled 2 of them. So here's one. I think only 2 are gonna show up. Alright. Yeah, just 2 are showing up. Or no. I have no idea. But I am so happy that is the 4th one we've gotten today. Awesome. Alright, see ya.